Hello, in this video we will see how using indenting technique helps make your artwork realistic, and we will look at various examples where I have used indenting. Look at the whiskers of the tiger with white charcoal artwork and the veins of the leaf in a graphite pencil and with color pencil composition too. You must be wondering what the indenting technique is. Indenting, in terms of art, means creating grooves, ridges, or deep marks in paper for clear and sharp lines for fur, whiskers, grass, leaf veins, and so on. To create these indents or for making these marks, we would need some tools. We can use nail art tools, a pen without ink, or a sharp object that can make a mark on paper. Let's see some examples of indenting in this video. In the first example, we will look at creating indents for a tiger whiskers. In this example, I used a very thick paper. I already marked the area where I want to draw the whiskers. As you can see in the video, I am using nail art tool with pressure so that I get good deep marks for whiskers. I am ending my indenting with very light pressure so that I get a thinner ending, helping creating a realistic look. If you want to see the whole video of this tiger with details, I'm linking the video on the top right of this window and will also give the link in description. I have used the same technique in this panther too. For the second example, let's look at the veins on a leaf on a graphite artwork. For thick veins, I put extra pressure to get deep grooves, and for thinner veins, I applied lesser pressure so that I get thinner grooves for them. After that, as you can see in the video, I laid down graphite in layers and blended them periodically to get the realistic look. Wherever you are laying down graphite or color over indenting, do not use the tip of the pencil. Always use the side of the tip. That's how you won't put any graphite or color in the grooves. Hence, you will get clear, sharper, and clean indent lines. I used masking technique for the ladybug in this composition. If you want to see how to mask the non-linear shape, the link is above right now and posted in the description. Before you use this technique in your artwork, it is important to remember that the thickness of the paper is very important to consider before using the indenting technique in your work. Thicker paper is better for indenting, as there is a lesser chance for tearing and you can get good deep grooves. Same applies for nail art tools. They come with different tip sizes, which also means that you can get different sized indenting with them. Here you can see I'm using two different tip sizes for indenting. After laying down graphite, we can clearly see two different size grooves. So choose your tool accordingly. It is always advisable to practice on different types of paper with different mediums to get a good idea before you start any composition. I hope you find this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. See you in the next video. Bye for now.